This way. We are on our way. I'm on my way to Challenge. And this is my vlog. What else? I don't know. I have my vlog team with me. We're in Challenge. Iba ang Pinoy. So we'll eat there. Chicken hot. See ya. Guys, this is bulok-bulok. Okay na siya. Just keep going lang. Nakungkap lang din. Guys, grabe ang tao. Queuing kayo. Kahiyon na tayo. Gawa sa gutom. I'm very hungry and I need that something. So, I'm sorry later on. I'll show you.